Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting explicit consent and choosing the right tool. Open Find My or Google Maps, tap Share Location, then select the contact. This creates a live feed rather than a static pin. Once done, set the duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or until turned off, so it's temporary unless agreed otherwise. Make sure both devices have location services and background app refresh enabled, because without them, the feed will be inaccurate or stop updating. After initiating sharing, verify acceptance immediately. The contact should appear on your map with a live moving dot or status. If they don't show up, ask them to check their notification and accept the invite, then confirm app permissions. On iOS, allow always. On Android, allow all the time or while using app as needed. Once visible, tap the person's icon to view battery level and accuracy indicators, which explain why the dot may jitter or lag. To finish, stop sharing from your app or ask the other person to stop. This revokes live access. If the location is stale or missing, first ask them to toggle GPS and mobile data, then force quit and reopen the app. Check battery saver modes because they limit updates. If problems persist, confirm the app is up to date and both parties restart devices, often the quickest fix. Remember, only use these methods with consent. Covert tracking is intrusive and often illegal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.